Hello, this is our optimization project focusing on the optimal cost of feeding farm animals. So for this problem, we have three kinds of farm animals we're considering: cows, pigs, and chickens. And for simplicity, we assume that all the animals are in the adult stage of life. Each animal has certain feed brands it can eat, and some of these may overlap and be shared between different kinds of animals. And our overall goal is to minimize the daily cost of food for all farm animals. So there are some other things that we want to consider for this problem. To make our farm more sustainable and to keep all of our animals healthy, we want to follow the National Research Council's nutritional guidelines. These are well-researched amounts of nutrients that animals should have in their diets. We also want to consider a minimum and maximum bound for the number of different animals and the total number of animals. In this case, we are considering a minimum bound of 25 and a maximum bound of 50, and a total animal count of 120. So the NRC guidelines have some key nutrients. These are some of the ones that we are considering for this project: sodium, calcium, protein, fat, lysine, and phosphorus. And for the potential brands that we might want to buy for this project to feed our animals, we considered the brands Kaytee, Stockade, Producer's Pride, Country Feeds, and Manna Pro. And as stated earlier, some of these brands can overlap and be shared between animals, but there are certain brands that can only be fed to a certain kind of animal. For example, the Producer's Pride has a specific brand only for cows.
Decision variables we used include UIJ and XJ. UIJ here means the number of servings of food I feed to animal J every day, and XJ means the number of animals in this farm. In this table, it shows which kind of food can feed which kind of animals, and only Stockade and the original Producer's Pride can feed all three kinds of animals. Data includes nutrition requirements and supplement facts. The raw data come from internet. We transfer the unit to grams per animals per day and grams per servings to make it easier to compare them to each other. Also, we have data for price. Two interesting things here are only poultry need lysine and only poultry does not necessarily demand phosphorus. Only food from Kaytee and Manna Pro supply lysine. Based on this information, we built up the equations. The first constraint here is that the nutrition supplied should be more than the requirement. The second is the range of each animal. In our project, the mean is 25 and maximum is 50. Also, we used 120 as the total number of animals. All the variables here are non-negative, negative, and x is integer. This is what we got in GAMS. U11, U12, U31, U32, and U4 are chosen, and x1, 2, 3 have respective values. Let's go back and see what do they represent. Total minimum cost is $688 per day, 50 poultry with Kaytee and original Producer's Pride, 25 cows with Stockade and also original Producer's Pride, 45 pigs with Country Feeds. Poultry is the cheapest, while the cow is the most expensive. The number of pigs can be changed based on the total number of animals we set. Blending foods from different brands is an economical choice. Original product from Producer's Pride is good. However, pigs have much better choice from Country Feeds, and Kaytee has to be bought to supply the lysine for poultry. This project can be improved somehow with different food and animals data based on specific situations and can help organize an economical farm. Thank you.